Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I am excited to share with you my almost final kitchen remodel video. We're 99% done. The only thing that needs to be done is a backsplash, and that will be done in the next few weeks, maybe a month. But everything is in, everything is functional, everything is beautiful. So, this is it. All the crown molding went up yesterday. Obviously the countertops are in. That was a fiasco, but it's done. And so I'm just gonna share with you, just pan around. Oh, I got these gorgeous, what are these called? Counter height stools. That kind of just tuck right in there. Love those. So the deco edge doors, I think that's what they're called, the deco doors, just finishes it off, the cabinets off really nicely. So you're not just looking at a plain piece of wood there. So there's some on that side of the island. Here is the view from this side. I'm standing over here by my patio door. Yes, all my furniture is back in my family room. So isn't she gorgeous? All sparkly. Another set of the deco doors there. That's what I love about custom cabinetry. So let's see. So this is the view from the breakfast nook, also known as Michael's office, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Or Monday and Friday, sorry. There is this last cabinet up against this little wall. That's the stupid cabinet. So it's just, I think it's just incredible. It looks humongous. You know, we have 9-foot ceilings. And before they put up the crown molding, I thought, wow, that's really nice. And then they put up the crown molding and now it looks primo, right? I mean, it's just so beautiful. So here is the oven and cooktop side. Oh, the other thing, exciting thing that was put in yesterday is my induction cooktop right here. We got these little pads for each one of the 4 burners. You can actually cook on top of those pads so that you don't scratch the glass, which I'm sure is going to happen. But I'm going to try to stop it as long as I can. So there's the hood. You can see I have the light on. Oh, the other fun thing is this under cabinet lighting. I'm sure the rest of the world has this. This is just the first time I've had it. And, I know I'm acting like a child, but I'm so excited. But what's cool about the under cabinet lights is we actually downloaded an app on our phones. We can change the color of the light. So when it was Valentine's Day, I had one was red and the other one was pink. So anyway, yeah. Oh, and so for the backsplash, it's going to obviously go here, but it's going to go up to as far as the hood. And these are the glass tiles that we've chosen. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if you can really see how gorgeous. There we go. See the etching on it? It's so cool. So cool. So, yeah. So, look at that. That is just so pretty to me. What I want to share with you, there's the rest of my family room. So this is the island. What is that? Dishwasher, you know, the under sink thing. The trash and recycle, and the ever important, every kitchen needs a drawer that has pot holders and tea towels. Here's another set of those deco doors. So they're faux doors. Just makes it look so pretty. One of my favorite parts. Remember, I said I was a child. So we took the microwave down from under over the cooktop, and we decided to put it in the island. So it's a drawer, and here of course, you can wave in front of it. Oh, my coffee cup. Oh, heating up my coffee. All right. So I'm just going to close that. You push that, close it. You can, like, you know, just scooch the door, but I'd rather not do that. I don't want to break it. So, but anyway, and then there's 4 extra storage drawers. So there she is, everybody. Oh, I don't know, did I show the floors? If you recall from 35 videos ago, we had that, what I consider that ugly orange stain on the wood, the hardwood. So we had them sanded down all throughout on the first floor. We had them sanded down, restained, resealed, whatever the proper words are, I don't know. And that was a nightmare. That took 2 weeks. But there she is, everybody. 99% done. I couldn't be happier. Big, humongous thank you to Sarah Cholowinski. She is my cousin that actually did the redesign for us and worked with us to get the custom cabinets. And Steve Small, who is the contractor that did the work here for us. He will be back to do the backsplash. And thank you to every one of you who left me such really nice comments and sent me messages. Appreciate it. I am going to cook up a storm this weekend because now I can. So thank you, everyone. Feel free to leave me any messages if you have any questions, or if you would like either Sarah or Steve's contact information. I'd be happy to share that with you if you're in the greater Pittsburgh area and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area. And if you'd like to give them a little shout out if, you know, maybe you need some work done. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye.